First you go to Gacha Clue or Gacha Neon or Gacha Live Here, any Gacha or something. And choose your character. Place them any places. And let them talk. Go to Capitan to change in a third project. Place any scale unit. And press text. Say anything you want. Sorry for late post and thank you for 1,000 subscribed. Choose any font unit. Press the text to speech. You can see from pressing text first. There is any option you can choose who's energetic. Export Itan Yordo. Here's their salts. Hello everybody, thank you Summit for 1,000 subs.
Ahoje Udia.
Ahoje Udia. Ahoje, Fungush 2.
Ahoje, Fungush Toe.
Hello, ID is working.
Oslavensky to Mayday.
Oslavensky to Nade.
Hello. Goodbye.